In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up Zelle with Wells Fargo. By the end, you'll be ready to send and receive money quickly and securely right from your Wells Fargo account. We'll move through each part clearly, add helpful context so nothing feels confusing, and keep everything simple. If you're using the mobile app or the website, the process is similar, and you only need a US mobile number or an email address you check often. First, log in. Open the Wells Fargo mobile app or sign in through Wells Fargo Online in your browser. Make sure you're on a trusted network and that your app is up to date for the smoothest experience. Have your username and password handy or use biometrics if you've set them up on your device. Once you're in, you're ready to connect Zelle to your account in just a couple of taps. Next, navigate to Zelle. In the app, find Transfer and Pay. This is usually right in the main menu or along the bottom navigation. On the website, look for Transfer and Pay across the top. Select Zelle to open the Zelle setup screen. If it's your first time, you may see a brief introduction explaining how Zelle works and the types of transfers it supports. Now enroll your info. Choose whether you want to use your US mobile number or an email address for Zelle. Pick the one you monitor most often, since this is where you'll get alerts and verification codes. Your mobile number should be able to receive text messages and your email should be accessible from your phone or computer. If you've used Zelle with another bank before, you may be prompted to move your number or email to Wells Fargo. Just follow the on-screen guidance to continue here, then verify your enrollment. Zelle will send a one-time code to the mobile number or email you provided. Open that message, grab the code, and enter it right away since these codes expire. If you don't see it, check your spam or junk folder and confirm you typed your info correctly. For your security, never share this code with anyone. Once the code is accepted, your enrollment is complete. That's it. Your Wells Fargo account is now linked to Zelle and ready to send or receive money, often within minutes. Before you start, remember to send only to people you know and trust, double-check recipient details, and be mindful that transfers are typically fast and can't be cancelled once sent. You're all set to use Zelle with confidence.